In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Freeform Canvas layout in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. The Freeform Canvas layout gives business users the flexibility to place visualizations and dashboard elements exactly where they want on the canvas, including layering the elements. This layout creates clear, visually engaging data stories and improves communication to support decision-making. I'll begin with an existing infographic. I would like to layer visualization elements like text boxes, images, and visualizations over other visualization elements. By default, the canvas layout is set to auto-fit, which means that when I click and drag my visualizations, I can quickly place them in preset grid positions. But I cannot layer them or place them exactly where I want, so the solution is to use Freeform Layout. I'll click on the Canvas menu and select Canvas Properties. From there, I can change the layout setting from the default auto-fit to Freeform. I can also customize the width and height of my canvas if needed. Then I'll select OK. Now, when I return to my canvas, I can drag visualizations and text elements to layer over images on the canvas. I can drag and resize a chart over image elements and change the font color for better contrast. If I right-click on any object, I can change the order visualization to bring this layer forward or backward. With the Freeform Canvas layout, I have more creative control over my canvas elements, and I can prepare a more compelling data story or dashboard. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.